2016 Dodge Challenger V6. What we've done on it today, it's still got the stock converters right there and right there. Then it's got a factory X-pipe. Then somebody else did a resonator delete on it earlier. Right there, or mid-muffler delete. And we did a rear muffler delete on the back. Right there and right there. And that's all. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. And it's true dual from the factory, as you guys can see. There it is, right there and right there. And it comes with the tips are built into the bumper. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. 2016 Dodge Challenger. There's the mufflers right there that we took off. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Sounds really good at idle too.
Six